I thought I'd do something different this time and replace the cane seat in this antique chair. Unfortunately, I'd already removed a damaged seat when I decided to make this video. The worst part of the job is removing the damaged seat and getting this groove cleaned out. It takes patience and some good chisels. They make what's known as a caning chisel. It gives leverage in getting under the spline and lifting it out of the groove, but it doesn't tend to keep a very good edge. I prefer using just a standard wood chisel that I've ground down to the proper width of the groove. Alright, I'll soak this in the sink for a half hour or so and it should be ready to go. I cut a piece of spline to fit tightly inside this groove. I'll squeeze in just a real thin bead of liquid hide glue through the bottom of the groove. I'll use a cardboard strip here and spread it out evenly. You can turn that strip at an angle and work it right up along the sides. Go the opposite direction and pull it up on the other edge. I'll place the cane over the seat, making sure that I keep the weave straight in line front to back and side to side. Use these caning wedges to start pushing the cane into the groove. With these wedges holding the cane tight, I'll go ahead and start working the rest of it down into the groove. I need to tap this in gently over this weave so that the cane doesn't snap. I'll work at each one of those gatherings. Work it a little at a time. With the cane in place, I'll start snugging in the spline. I'm just going to tap it in enough to hold the cane in place and get it all in position. And then I'll trim away the excess. I'll wipe on a small amount of glue as I work my way around with the spline. I've let the cane dry overnight. Now I'm going to soak it up with some tung oil varnish. Just keep letting it absorb. I'll soak it into the bottom side and then finish out the top. All right, that's a wrap on this project.